windshield trims. These fit on the original baggers. Okay, solid mounts like this. Also we've got trigger mounts. Trigger mounts are quick release. It's your Batwing extension, so you put this guy on here. Okay, they only fit on the Memphis, obviously, because they're Memphis Shades. So very, very cool screens. Get bands, timber lines on. Very solid, very well made. Also, you've got your normal screens. Sold quite a few of these for the XT19s. You know, some of your big tourers. And this particular one, like a, you know, more of your small sporty screen. All available in trigger lock, so that means you can basically take the thing off, fit it back, we one day have a big touring screen the next. Okay, this particular one, FXR type screen, more your cat racer. Yeah, very, very cool. Right? You can have that on one day and a touring screen the next. Loads and loads of great products. Beautiful. You made. All available in custom cruises. If you're interested in stock, 01773 Alternatively, get all your local dealers. But, as you can see, beautiful. Really nice. Very cool Indian skin. See, here we are at the train stand over in sunny Milan. Scroll on 1773 835 666 custom cruises.com. Thank you.